PowerSpool includes an interface to the MEP schedules that can help you set up and customize your schedules to suit your requirements. While you can set the schedules up within your models in a similar fashion, here I will concentrate on the spool drawings. I'd like to give you a quick look at how you can manipulate these to suit your requirements and ensure that you automatically include the schedule with every spool generated. You probably already noticed in a previous video, but in the spooling command, in the options, the first button to check is the auto-generate schedule. This must be checked to ensure that all of your spools have the schedule included in them. You'll also want to check that in the template setup that the schedule location is assigned. If it's unassigned, the schedule will not appear automatically. Okay, it is, so we'll just leave it at that. I have generated a couple of these spools already, but I want to show you how to manipulate this information in the schedule that's coming into my drawing. Because different disciplines have different information available, you'll see that there's a separate command for mechanical, conduit trays, or in this case pipe. So I'm going to open the pipe formatting utility here, and let's just have a look at it. Okay, I think you'll find this utility fairly straightforward. It's easy to understand. You're setting your text sizes, etc., your layers and text styles. First, I want to mention the formats that we have available. I can have unlimited number of formats to use. Here I want to create a new format. I'm going to save the existing format and we'll just call it B sheet. Anyway, we'll save that. And the default format at the bottom here, this is the format that the schedule is actually going to use on your spool drawings. So let's just select the one that we're going to change. Now I'm going to leave pretty much everything the same. I think you can see some of the options that you do have. I want to go up into this data, this column for example. If I highlight the column, I'm just going to delete it. I don't want the weight. I'm going to go into the description column and hit modify. You'll see available information on the left that's contained in my MEP drawing, and the information on the right is what I already have in this column. The fitting name does include much of this information, so I'm going to leave this as it is, but I wanted you to notice the column width. There's two ways to set the column width. One, I can type in a nice round number, or in this case, because I have the template and I have it sort of fitting here, I'm just going to digitize from point to point and leave it at that. Alright, now I can just save this. It'll save on exit, and I can go ahead and replace this schedule on the spool. And that looks more like what I was looking for. Going back into the model and the spool command, I could highlight any number of these spools and I can regenerate those. They would be regenerated with the up-to-date schedule format, as well as all subsequent spools that I create will use the new format that I've just set to until it's changed. I'm sure you'll find this utility very easy to use and that it will save you a lot of time in dealing with your schedules. Thanks for watching.